DDL commands used in Oracle. DDL means Data Definition Language. This language is used to create table and alter the structure of a table. The syntax of a create table is create table, table name, then defines the columns and data type of the columns. In this example, student table is created. The table contains roll number, name, age and mark columns. The data type of roll number, age and mark is number, and the data type of name is varchar2. Next, we learned alter table. In a student table, we add a new column by using alter command. Alter command also used to modify the columns in a table. In this example, the size of a column address is changed from 10 to 20. Limitations of alter table command. We cannot change the name of the table and column. We cannot delete the columns in a table. If the data exists in a table, then we cannot change the size of a column. DML. DML means Data Manipulation Language. This command is used to insert, delete, update and select columns in a table. Values are inserted in the same order in which columns were created in the create table command. In this example, the values of the column roll number, name, age and mark are inserted into the student table. If we insert values in limited columns, then we must mention the field names. If we insert all the values in the columns, then mentioning column name is optional. Update command is used to modify records in a table, where column is used to specify the condition of a records to be modified. The syntax is update table name, set column name equal value 1, column name 2 equal value 2 up to column name n equal value n, where condition. In this first example, to modify name equal Ram, where roll number equal 5. If the value class is not specified, then all the records are modified. In this second example, to modify name equal Sita, age equal 20 and marks equal 55, where the roll number equal 3. In the last example, the age is incremented by 2, where roll number equal 1. In this example, where class is not specified, so all the student age is incremented by 2. Delete command is used to delete records in a table. Where class is used to specify the condition of records to be deleted. In this example, the roll number 1 details are deleted from the table. If where class is not specified, then all the records are deleted. Select command is used to select records from a table. The syntax is select column 1, column 2 up to column n from the table name. In this example, the select command is used to select roll number, name and age from student table. Star symbol is used to read all the records in a table. Where class is used to specify the condition of a records to be selected. If we do not specify where class, all the records of a table are selected.